For today's recipe, we will need half a cup of onion, half a cup of cilantro, 3 minced garlic cloves, 3 avocados, garlic powder, 1 small Roma tomato, 1 jalapeno, 3 serranos, 2 limes, some cayenne pepper, and salt to taste. First thing we're going to do is put our avocados in our bowl. And just scoop it out with a spoon. There's no real trick to it. We're going to mash them up anyway. Jesus Christ. Make sure you don't drop your avocado. See, this is what happens when you're in a hurry. Why am I in a hurry? Because I'm having a few guests over and I want to make sure I have enough guac, I have enough food, I have enough salsas. That is why I'm cooking so much today. Okay. Our last one. I purchased these avocados last week, I think. So they were about to go bad and they look beautiful. Alright. This is gonna make plenty of guac. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to mash our avocado before adding the rest of the ingredients. And I'm going to mash it with, now you can use a fork or you can use a bean masher. I call this a bean masher. I don't know if it is a bean masher, but that's what I use it for. And this is the simplest way to mash your avocado. And you can buy this virtually anywhere. I think the 99-cent store might even have it. Look at that. See how easy it is with this little masher? Perfect. So you're gonna mash it to your desired consistency. I want it quite mashed. I don't want it too thick. Okay. Now, I like to add my salt next and then remash so that the salt is spread evenly. Because once we add the rest of the ingredients, we can't mash it anymore. So, just add salt to taste, like always. Mash it up and give it a taste and see if you like it. Let's see. I think you could use a little more salt. Alright. That should be more than enough. Alright. Now, we're going to add our onion, our cilantro, and mix that up. And next I'm going to dice my tomato and my chilies finely diced before I add them. Now that I've chopped up my serrano, my jalapeno, and my tomato, I'm gonna go ahead and toss it all into my bowl. We're going to toss in our minced garlic. I absolutely love this little plate. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is add about a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I should say about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper because we don't want too much of it. Lastly, we're going to squeeze in our lime juice. Now remember, these seasonings that I'm using are all to taste. So if you want less cayenne, more cayenne, less garlic, you don't even have to add the garlic powder or the cumin. You could just add salt. And if you like it more sour or more acidic, you can add more lime. If you like it more spicy, you can add more serranos or jalapenos. And I mean, it's all up to your personal taste. So now we're going to go ahead and mix it up. I think for this, I'm going to use a spoon. Looking beautiful. I hope it's spicy because this last batch of serranos that I actually bought, they weren't too spicy. I should have used the ones my mom brought me from her plant. Those are always very spicy. Look at that. It's very creamy. Oh, just so good. These avocados were perfectly ripe. Now at this point, you want to taste it. You want to see if it's good on salt, good on spice, if you're happy with it. So just give it a taste. Perfect. This is perfect for me. Now we're gonna go ahead and put it in a serving bowl. All right guys, and there you have it. Delicious spicy guac. And let me just say, it's not that spicy, even though I did put 3 serranos, 1 jalapeno, and some cayenne pepper, but it's delicious. All right guys, and there you have it. This delicious spicy guac. Oh, just so good. This is perfect with chips, taquitos, tacos. It's perfect with anything. I hope you guys give this a try. And if you like this video, as always, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.